Alafia, brothers and sisters. Opo Ibu Kun. Abundant blessings. Ashe, Ashe, Asheo. Part 1. Ori, Yiyan, Choice, and Ile Àkókò, Timelines, the realm of infinite possibilities. According to the latest ideas coming out of quantum physics, all possibilities exist simultaneously within the unified field, the divine matrix, universal consciousness. This is exactly what we mean when we say that Olodumare is the realm of infinite possibilities, an energetic entity that is omnipresent, everywhere at all times, omnipotent, all-powerful, and omniscient, all-seeing, aware of all things past, present, and future. Part 2. Kadara, or the divine share. Ifá teaches us that each of us is given Kadara, or a divine share of the infinite universal consciousness of Olodumare. It is this quality of Ori that contributes to our ability to choose. Kadara is that aspect of Ori that is our portion of the divine spark that is encoded in our destiny, with our destiny, and is present in our DNA. Part 3. Yiyan, or choice. It is Orisa Eshu that rules the realm of choice, chance, and change. And it is Ori that embodies or empowers you and me to exercise this divine gift of Yiyan, choice. Every time we make a choice, we take a chance that that choice will bring about that which we intend. In other words, choice is intended to lead to change. The key to making wise choices is to remember that every time we change a thing, we change more than what we intended. This is true because everything is connected to everything else. Part 4. Yiyan, choice, and Ìlà Àkókò, timelines. Picture getting into your car and setting your GPS to give you directions to your destination. Now imagine that instead of taking the route indicated by your GPS, you decide to take a slightly different route. What happens when you don't take or make that first turn that the GPS prescribes? The GPS determines where you are, remembers where you are going, and then calculates the new route for you to get to your destination. That's exactly how your and my Ori acts regarding your and my destination, and your and my choices, our chosen route or path. Each of these adjustments represents a new timeline, Ile Àkókò, a new path and a new set of experiences and possibilities that you will encounter along the way. Your life is not happening to you, brothers and sisters, because of a set of pre-existing circumstances or because of outside forces. But your life is unfolding through you the way that it is because of the set of choices you have made in the past, are making now, and will make in the future as you navigate your journey in the Loja. In other words, your life is happening through you, not to you. Part 5, Ifá Divination. Ifá Divination is the method we use to assist in making those choices that will minimize the negative and maximize the positive consequences of our choices. Let me invite you to subscribe to Ile Awo Òrìṣà playlist at Alakoso. You want to learn more of this kind of wisdom? Like, subscribe to Ile Awo Òrìṣà playlist at Alakoso. Thanks for listening. Alafia ati Ife. Ajo lo, ajo bo. Ashe, ashe, asheo.